Cap 26 here, just Tips, Repairs, and Hobbies, and we made this template for doing letters on models and things like such as, and it has all the alphabet right here. Can you see it? Let's see. I'll take a black magic marker here, and we'll fill in, try it out. Let's see how it did. Pretty good. You use a airbrush or even a small paintbrush, and it's got numbers too. See the numbers. Hard to fill in with the marker. That's pretty well. I'll show you a close up of that. So that's what I want to show you. You can find that on Thingiverse, that file, and a handy thing to make up if you're a model maker or for anything else. Save you some money. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. And I hope this helped you. Goodbye for now.